Hello, this is Mr. Wynn, and this video is over transformations part 3, where we'll be going over compositions of transformations. So a composite means combining two or more things. So a composition of transformations is just one transformation after another. They're just back-to-back transformations. Could be 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them. To do these, you must really know your 4 transformations. So here's a quick summary slide. First is the translation, which is the slide or drag. For the motion, if you see x plus or minus a number, that's just moving left or right. You see y plus or minus a number, that's moving up or down. Reflection, that's when you flip over the line, and that's also the mirror image. The 3 steps are draw the line, count to the line, count away from the line. Remember, the line slants or diagonal. You must count, then turn, then count away. Rotations are the turn or spin. We have counterclockwise going to the left, clockwise going to the right. The 3 steps are to rotate your paper, write down the new points, unrotate and plot. Then came the dilation, that's just multiplying. Whether the picture gets bigger or smaller, you just multiply all the points by the scale factor, which is SF or K. If the scale factor is missing, do new over old. Bigger than 1 means bigger picture, smaller than 1 means smaller picture. Ignore the negative sign. Like I said, composition, just the above transformations, back to back to back to back. So we'll start easy. Name the transformation that happens from each picture to picture. So this was 5 parts. So how does the first picture go to the second? This is a dog. Hopefully you can tell this was rotated. How much rotated to the right? So this would be clockwise, 90 degrees. That's from here to here. I'll do like this. So from here to here. All right, from the next part, how to go from here to here? It flipped. So this is reflected. All right, then the next part, how to go from here to here? It moved up. So it'd be translated. We don't know how much. It's just translated. Then from here to here, what happened? It got bigger, so it got dilated. So the 4 things that happened, here was rotate, then reflect, then translate, then dilate. Down here, same idea. So for this lady, first she got reflected. That's not a rotation. So people think it's rotation 180, but it's not. After that, she got turned. She got rotated. She got turned to the left. So we know that is, what is that, counterclockwise? Technically 90 degrees. All right. Then from here to here, she got smaller. That is a dilation. Then from here to here, she flipped again. So she got reflected again. Then from here to here, she moved, so she got translated. So be able to tell from one image to the next what happened. Alright, so here we're going to try a real problem. This triangle ABC is shifted 10 units to the right, then is reflected across the x-axis. So here they gave us the original picture, in which we'll read the graph. Let's label A, B, and C. A is at -7, 5. B is at -7, 2. C is at -3, 2. Anyways, if you know the motion rule, you can just follow it. This just says add 10 to every x, and I'll be good. But you usually don't always know the motion rule, so I'm going to use the picture. I'm going to count. So I move everything right 10. So I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's my A prime. Notice that coordinate is 3, 5. So if I did -7 plus 10, I would have got 3. I'm doing the same thing. B, right 10. There's B prime. Notice that is 3, 2, which was just the x value out of 10. Y stays the same. And C, I go right 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C prime, that is 7, 2. All right, so we found A prime, B prime, and C prime. Same shaped triangle. Then it says reflects across the x-axis. For reflections, you just draw the line of symmetry. So I'm going to do like this. X-axis is this one. Remember, it's y equals 0. All right. For each point, you count to the line, then count away. For B, I'm going to go down 2 more. Here's B prime. So that is +3, -2. For A, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my A prime. Oh, double priming. So that's 3, -5. And then for C, down 2. There's C double prime. That is 7, -2. Now, if I knew the motion rule, I could have saw that, oh, x stays the same, but y gets multiplied by -1. But again, most times we don't know that. That is a composition. From the top left triangle, we moved it, translated it, and then we flipped it. We reflected it. Here's another one. Triangle ABC's rotate 90 degrees, then dilate it by 3. Here, they want us to fill in the motion rule, which again, I don't always know. So, we're going to do the method. To rotate, you have to just turn your paper. Actually, let's label A, B, and C first. All right, A is at -2, 1. B is at -2, -3. And C is at 1, 0. All right, so I'm going to rotate 90 degrees into the direction, so I must go counterclockwise. I'm going to the left. Here's my new points. I'm going to label all those. The new C is 0, 1. The new A is left 1, down 2. -1, -2. The new B is right 3, down 2. +3, -2. Alright, so I just marked it there instead of on the side. I'll put my paper back. I'm going to mark those 3. -1, -2. Here's my new, that's my A prime. 3, -2. 3, -2. That's my B prime. And 0, 1. That's my C prime. Alright, so that's the same picture, just rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Notice, how does -2, 1 turn into -1, -2? Well, I'm switching X and Y. So this is now where X goes, this is not where Y goes, but Y didn't stay the same. Y from +1 to negative, so I multiply negative. There's my motion rule. Alright, next we're going to dilate by 3. Dilate just means multiply. So I'm just going to triple this X and triple the Y. So if I know A prime is at -1, -2, I multiply both those numbers by 3 to get -3, -6. 3, -2 multiplied by 3 makes 9, -6. Then 0, 1 times 3 is 0, 3. And you don't have to draw, but I will anyways. Let's put them on there. So A double prime, -3, -6, left 3, down 6. Here's A double prime. 9, -6, 9, -6 is over here. That is C, B double prime. Then 0, 3 is right here. C double prime, if I connect this, that should be triple the size of A prime, B prime, C prime, and technically triple the size of A, B, C as well. Alright, let's try some more. Reflect E over the line y equals x, then reflect over the line y equals -2, where's E double prime. So here E, hopefully you see it's 1, 4. Now first reflect it over the line y equals x. So we have to draw that line, or that's a y, mx is b, y sub 0, slope of 1. So let me draw this diagonal line. Alright, and you draw the whole thing, you don't have to draw the whole thing. You only have to have enough where you can actually count the line, count away from it. So E, I'm going to go right. Let's go right, 1, 2, 3, then down, 1, 2, 3, because this is a diagonal line. That's E prime, which is +4, 1. So reflecting over the diagonal y equals x, always just switches the x and y coordinates. So notice, I'm going to erase it, but this is the same distance from here to here and here. It's like jumping over that line. Right, anyways, we now have E prime. Then from there, we have to do another transformation. It says reflect over the line y equals -2. So I'm going to draw this next line. Y equals -2 is this line right here. Can you draw the whole thing, or just the part where you can count to and away from the line? So E has to go down. E prime has to go down 2. So down 1, 2, down 3. Then down 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Here's E double prime. That coordinate is 4, -5. That is our answer. Notice this is, again, down 3 and then down 3 more. That's the same distance away. That's our mirror image reflection. Alright, let's do another one. Dilate Q 4, 6 by together 1/2. That's easy, just multiply 1/2. Half of 4 is 2, half of 6 is 3. So 2, 3. Here's our Q prime. Then it says reflect over the line y equals -x. So -x, that's mx is b. Slope is -1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and y sub 0. So it's going to be this dotted line right here. You don't have to do the whole thing, just enough to reflect over. I'm going to count to the line in a way. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm turning left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my Q double prime. That is left 3, down 2. And you can check. Technically, you're jumping over this line. This is exactly the same distance as this. All right, this last one, just a bunch of them all together. Just try a couple. So see, A is at 4, 7. I'm just put there 4, 7. Here's A. Right 3, down 8. I'm just gonna count. So right 1, 2, 3, down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's A prime. Then it says reflected across the x-axis. So I'm gonna count to and away from this x-axis. So that's up 1, up 1. Here's A double prime. Final spot is 7, 1. All right, let's try the next one. S is at -2, -6, left 2, down 6. Here's S. It says reflect across the y-axis. Y-axis is this one. So I'm counting right 2 more. Here's S prime. Then it says up 10, left 6. So up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here's S double prime. That is -4, +4. So you should figure out all these. All right, try the next one. Use blue. I is at the origin. Okay, here's the origin. It says, gives me a motion. It says left 5. Y stays the same. So left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's I prime. Then it says reflect across y equals 3. Y equals 3 is a vertical line, a horizontal line. Y is always 3. It's this one. Count 2 and count away. Up 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Here's I double prime. That is -5, +6. All right, let's try another one. K is at 8, -4. 8, -4 is right here. Here's K. It says go left 2, up 1. That's how you read x minus 2 and y plus 1. So left 2, then up 1. Here's K prime. Reflect across the line y equals -x. That's the diagonal line. Negative slope is this one. Just enough where I can count 2 and away from line. So I'm going to go down 3, left 3. Down 1, 2, 3, left 1, 2, 3. I could have gone left 3, down 3. Same thing. This black dot is K double prime. That is +3, -6. Let's get this last one. E is at -3, 5. Left 3, up 5 right here. I wanted red. It says reflect across y equals x. Remember y equals x is this diagonal line. Going to the origin. Red was, I guess, a bad color. I can go count. Go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and right here. Here's E prime. Then it says go right 2, down 4. So right 2, 1, 2, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E double prime, final coordinate, +7, -7. +7, -7. Alright, so that's it for the video for compositions. Make sure you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.